What's good, everyone? It's Marvin, but most people know me as MJO23Dan. I've been collecting Air Jordans probably since 1995. My first pair of Air Jordans was the OG Concord 11. And the minute I saw it on TV, Ahmad Rashad was wearing it. And then I saw MJ wearing it in the 95 Eastern Conference semifinals against the Orlando Magic. I knew I had to have these things. So, that's me at the age of 16 years old, wearing the Concord 11s. I look at this picture and I'm like, dang, it's been over 25 years since I've been collecting. And actually my first love started with collecting basketball cards. Michael Jordan was truly an inspiration growing up as a kid. I was born in the city of Chicago, but I didn't really pay attention much to the Bulls until after they started winning. But I always knew about this guy named Michael Jordan. And so from basketball cards, it grew into sneakers, it grew into the jerseys here, it grew into like everything memorabilia wise for me. And so I don't know, it's just this infatuation as a kid. He's your hero, he's winning championships, he's making sure his teammates are in the trenches with him, and he's out there dogging it out with everyone else that is coming after him in the league. So I really looked up to that, and just kept on going with the collection, started getting more things, adding more stuff to the collection, and it just grew into this megatropolis that I couldn't really handle anymore. And so anyways, the hobby is really fun. I've gotten back into cards. I love sneakers more than ever, and even collecting his jerseys has been worthwhile. The determination, the will to win, the inspiration, all these characteristics of Michael Jordan, I wanted to be him. Be like Mike, right? Which led me to like online forums and trying to get familiar with this social media landscape, which also eventually led me to creating a YouTube channel in 2013 and just speaking about my passion, my love for the hobby. That grew, some numbers, and I continue to do it to this day. So really what I wanted to say is thank you, Michael Jordan, for being able to, I guess, steer a direction for me in the love and passion of a hobby that I truly adore. You continue to inspire me and to help me succeed in things in life that I never thought I could achieve. So with that being said, happy birthday. This is the Dear Michael Jordan Project. I hope it goes through. I hope you enjoy this book that we're about to present to you. And happy birthday, Michael.